Update on hive number 2. This is 26 August 2024. It's 20 to 4 in the afternoon, around about 20-21 degrees C. I checked inside the super and I had to take out 2 fully capped frames. The other 8 of those frames is also almost full of nectar and honey. I put in 2 empty frames, super frames. So I must go extract the honey this later, and we'll see. There's another super frame on top there. Maybe tomorrow I must exchange that one as well, so I can get them room. If I had another super, I would have placed it on top, but I don't. So I have to extract, take out, extract. These ladies is healthy, very healthy. Well done, girls.